Hello, welcome to BioNEET Tutor. For NEET preparation, there's some important question of biology from Kingdom Monera. This first question is match the following columns. Column 1 is the shape of bacteria and column 2 giving the corresponding shape. These are the name. Here the coccus is bacillus are the rod-shaped bacteria. Vibrio are the coma-like bacteria, and spirillum goes with a spiral set bacteria. So only option with A to 2 is the option number 3 is the answer. Next question. This is match the following column. Column 1 is the different types of bacteria and column 2 is describing its habitat where it resides. Halophils are the bacteria high salt areas. This halophil reside. Thermoacidophils, these are the bacteria which survive in a hot spring. So B goes with the 3. Methanogens are bacteria which are found in marshy places, and the basophils are the bacteria which live in high alkaline medium. So the match is A with 4 is in option number 2. Question number 3. The mycoplasma are classified under which of the kingdom? Mycoplasma falls under kingdom Monera. Mycoplasma are prokaryotic organism. Prokaryotic kingdom is kingdom Monera. Question number 4. Citrus canker is a disease caused by, this is a bacterial disease, occurs in lemon, in citrus fruits and on their leaves. Question number 5. Organisms living in salty areas are called as halophils, and methanogens are bacteria which are methane-producing bacteria. Heliophytes are the plants live in very strong sunshine, and thermoacidophils are the bacteria which live in high temperature and acidic medium. Next question. This is a question on diagram to identify the different structure in this bacteria. 2 diagrams have been given. One is from the bacteria and another is cyanobacteria. So we have to identify in this A, B, C, D, and E. In this, A is cell wall. Here, either option 1 or option 2 will be correct. B is the plasma membrane or the cell membrane. So it is 1 or 2 will go. C is the DNA. So this one will go with option number 2. D is the heterosis. These are the special type of cells which are important for the nitrogen fixation. This is found in some of the cyanobacteria or blue-green algae. E is the mucilaginous sheath. On the surface of the cyanobacteria, there is a mucilaginous layer which is very much hygrophilic and retain water on their body surface. So all the cyanobacteria, the individual cells and their colonies are surrounded by mucilaginous sheath. Question number 7. The smallest living cells have all known characteristics except some character has been given here in 4 options. The smallest living organism is a mycoplasma. This is unicellular organism and it is the smallest, smaller than bacteria. Option 1, survive in presence of oxygen. They are aerobic organism, but they also can survive in absence of oxygen. That is, infect animal and plants. It causes disease to mainly animal and plants. It's cause disease related to lungs. Number 3, complete lack of cell membrane. This character is not correct. So this is our answer, that complete lack of cell membrane. Of course, they don't have cell wall. They don't have nuclear membrane. Number 4, they contain double-stranded DNA as genetic material. This is also true. Next question, that which of the following statement is correct? Statement A, mycoplasma has no cell wall. This is true. Mycoplasma is the smallest living organism. Mycoplasma cannot survive without oxygen. This option is not correct because mycoplasma aerobic organism, but without oxygen also they can survive. Next, D, mycoplasma are pathogenic to plants and animals. This is true. True sexuality is not found in bacterium. This is also true. F, a short of sexual reproduction by adapting a primitive DNA transfer from one bacterium to the other occur. This is also true. So here all of the statements are correct except C. Next question, the group of organisms that oxidize various inorganic substances such as nitrates, nitrites, and ammonia and uses the release energy for the ATP production, they are called chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria. This is question number 10. Count the total number of diseases from the following that are caused by bacteria. And this is a list of diseases caused by bacteria, caused by viruses and other organisms. Here the bacterial diseases are, one is citrus canker is bacterial disease, cholera is bacterial disease, typhoid is bacterial disease, tetanus bacterial disease, and these only four. Citrus canker, this is a plant disease, cholera, typhoid, tetanus, these are the disease caused in human being by the bacteria. So our answer will be option number 2, that is total bacterial disease are 4. Mumps and smallpox, these are the viral disease, and sleeping sickness and malaria, these are the disease caused by the protista, that is unicellular eukaryotic organism. Question number 11. Find out the total number of false statements from the following. A, cyanobacteria have chlorophyll A similar to green plants. So this is true. Chlorophyll A is universal type of photosynthetic pigment which is found from the cyanobacteria, algae, bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm, angiosperm in all the plants. So this is known as the universal photosynthetic pigment. B, bacteria which oxidize various inorganic substances such as nitrite and ammonia and use their release energy for ATP production are chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria. This is also true. Heterotrophic bacteria are less in abundance. This is not true. The bacteria are the most abundant organism on this earth. Among the bacteria also, the heterotrophic bacteria are more abundant. So this statement is not correct. Majority of heterotrophic bacteria are decomposer. Important decomposer in the ecosystem is the fungi and bacteria, and among these bacteria are the heterotrophic organism. The majority of the heterotrophic bacteria, they are decomposer. This is true. With E, chemosynthetic bacteria play important role in recycling of nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, and sulfur. This is true because they get their energy by breaking the nitrate, nitrite, and the other compound of the metallic element. The false statement is only 1. Answer is option number 1. Next question, 13. A peculiar odor that prevails in marshy areas and cowshed is on account of the gas produced by the archaebacteria. And among the archaebacteria, these are the methanogen. Number 14, methanogens belongs to archaebacteria. Next question, nostoc and anabina are cyanobacteria. So subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.